Let me quickly show you how we can copy and paste on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Flip 7 FE. So we're gonna go to the Google Messages app as an example, and let's say I'm gonna go over here into this conversation. So if I want to copy a message, I can just press and hold my finger, and then we have this copy option in this place. And then as you can see, we have copied to clipboard. And then if I go to another conversation, I can tap on the text message, and I will find the copied text over here in the middle of the keyboard at the top of it, and if I tap it, then I will paste everything that I had copied. You can also, I believe we can tap on this arrow, and we have a clipboard in this place, so you should be able to get back to all your copied content that is gone now, and if you don't see it anymore in the middle of the screen, then this is how it works. Now, on the other hand, if you just have a simple text that you can customize, like I can do right now, then I can, for example, double tap, I believe. Let's see if double tap works. So we can double tap on the same place in order to select a word, and you can find the copy option and also the paste option. So it works both ways. You can press and hold as well, just anywhere. For example, if I want to add something, if I want to paste something at the end of this string, then I can press and hold my finger, and then I have the paste option. I also have select all, so we can select everything at once. If you select just one word, then you can still adjust it by grabbing by these end icons. I'm not sure how to actually call them, but as you can see here, we can readjust the selected text. And we have all these options over here. You can also tap on these three dots in order to find even more options in case you need them. But here we have copy, and then of course we can just paste. And that's it. And of course, if you copy something in one app, you can just paste it in another one, if it's a text, of course. So you don't have to worry that you just know how to do this in the Messages app. This is pretty much universal for the whole smartphone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.